I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating index, HTML and styles. CSS, you already know this, so do it now. Place the CSS file in the same folder or note its relative path. Then, inside the HTML head, add a single link element with rel equals stylisheet and href pointing to your CSS. Once done, save both files and refresh your browser. Make sure the file name and path match exactly. Small typos break links and waste time. Now you handle the middle details. Choose the correct path. If styles, CSS sits in a CSS folder, use href equals CSS/styles. CSS, if up one level, use /styles. CSS. Also specify media if the stylisheet targets print or screen. That prevents mismatches. Make sure you link vendor or reset CSS first, then your custom stylisheet so your rules override correctly. Once linked, check the browser inspector to confirm the stylisheet loaded and rules applied. Finish by verifying styles render consistently. Save changes, hard refresh using Ctrl plus F5, and inspect the Network tab to confirm the CSS return 200. If you see 404 or incorrect MIME type, correct the file path or server headers. Also, remove any UTF-8 from the CSS file and ensure no typos in selectors. One key troubleshooting tip: when nothing changes,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.